The heart of the province boasts of so many attractions, from the unruffled places, its delectable goods, to its beautiful populace. People from all walks of life delight in the picturesque Baywalk as their favorite hangout spot. The grandiose Casa Real, a national historical landmark, awaits its completion and its guests. The stunning provincial capital complex houses the best capital and the best cultural center in the Philippines, and offers the best place for promenade in the province. More so, the central business district now brags of order and progress, and not to mention, of the tastiest bagoong, common quest for genuine and sustainable growth and development. To our would-be guests, I personally encourage you to visit and enjoy our place responsibly. With all that we have, and we are yet to offer, I am sure you will find more than a few reasons to come back. Part of the 2nd Congressional District, Labrador is located 17 kilometers west of the capital town of Lingayen. It has a land area of 9,099 hectares and a population of 26,811 according to the 2020 census. Labrador is considered to be one of the safest towns in the province, as it is flood-free and far from fault lines. There are several natural wonders that tourists can visit in Labrador, like the Tinocayan Falls, a hidden gem nestled in Labrador's lush jungle. People also visit Mount San Isidro, the tallest mountain in Pangasinan, standing at 2,450 feet above sea level. There are several resorts operating in Labrador, mostly located along the town's beautiful beach. Labrador is famous for its broom and sawali making industries. Thanks to the abundance of bamboo in the area, sawali making in Labrador has been a major source of livelihood among the locals. Labrador has been celebrating its Sawali Festival annually to celebrate its most lucrative product.
Hi. Good morning.
Oh, dito lang.
Ang sikat ng araw,
Swal was mostly inhabited by Pangasinan-speaking people until 1818 when migrants from Ilocos provinces arrived in droves. The new residents introduced a better way of farming and expanded the cultivation of lands to produce a greater amount of crops, with the excess being sold to traders both local and foreign. The town of Swal used to be part of the municipality of Labrador, but through a decree issued on May 20, 1805, by Governor-General Rafael Maria de Aguilar, the town separated and became an independent municipality. Swal is part of the 1st Congressional District, bordering the city of Alaminos and the towns of Labrador and Mabini. Swal is located 26 approximately kilometers from the capital town Lingayen. It has a total land area of 13,016 hectares and a population of 39,091 people according to the 2020 census. Swal is a first-class municipality and the second richest town in the country in terms of assets in 2017. The presence of infrastructures and industries such as the 1,200-megawatt Swal coal-fired power plant and the Swal International Port, complemented with Swal's efficient tax and revenue collection, made that possible. Tourism is a boon for Swal as well. The Masamayri Cove Resort, a popular destination among domestic and foreign tourists, boasts luxurious amenities inspired by Asian architecture. The picturesque view of Bagbag Beach and Little Batanes is also a popular destination in the town of Swal.
pupunta kayo sa lungsod na ito, huwag niyo itong palagpasin. Andito pa rin tayo sa Alaminos, Pangasinan at ang main event talaga dito ay ang kanilang Alaminos Longganisa. Ang Alaminos Longganisa ay madaling
Okay. Dito ka sa doon tayo sa tuktok. Magantay tayo doon.
Mers.